Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ page on Shopify. This is incredibly useful for reducing customer support inquiries and providing instant answers to common questions your customers might have. Let's dive right in. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing your entire online store. On the left side of your dashboard, locate and click on Online Store. This section houses all the tools you need to customize your store's appearance and content. Under the Online Store menu, you'll see an option called Pages. Go ahead and click on that to access all your existing pages. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen and click Add Page. This will open up a new page creation interface. Here you'll want to name your page something clear like FAQ so visitors immediately know what they're looking at. Below the page name, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Template. You can choose any template that fits your store's design, but for most stores, the default template works perfectly fine. Once you've made your selection, click Save at the bottom to create the page. Next, go back to the Online Store menu on the left side and click on Themes. Then click Edit Theme to access Shopify's Theme Customization Editor. This is where you'll design how your FAQ page actually looks and functions. At the top of the editor, click Home Page, then navigate to Pages from the drop-down menu. Select the template you used for your FAQ page. In this example, we're using default page, so click on that to load the page editor. On the left side, you'll see a preview of your page. Click the Change button to switch the preview to the FAQ page we just created. This ensures you're working on the right page and can see your changes in real time. Now comes the interactive part. On the left side, click Add Section, and from the list of available sections, select Collapsible Content. This section is perfect for FAQs because it allows you to create expandable questions and answers, keeping your page clean and organized. On the right side of the editor, you can input a caption for this section if you'd like. More importantly, edit the heading to say FAQ. This makes it crystal clear to visitors what they're viewing. Now on the left side, click on Collapsible Row. Focus on the right side panel where you can customize each individual question. For example, change the heading to something like, How do I place an order? This is the question your customers will see. Below that, in the row content field, input a detailed answer that directly relates to the heading. This is where you provide the solution or information your customer needs. You can repeat this process for all your collapsible rows, adding as many questions and answers as necessary to cover the most common customer inquiries. Take your time here to ensure each answer is clear and helpful. Once you've finished adding all your FAQ content, click the Save button in the top right corner to publish your changes. Your FAQ page is now live and ready to help your customers find answers quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.